Hey guys, it's Shyla Collier, owner of Premier Social Media. Looks like we're live. If you guys are here, let me know. All right, well, it's a new year, 2018. I don't know if any of you guys have any great goals. Hi, Jim. If you guys have any great goals that you have been coming up with this year, hi, Mark, yet to come up with some. So last year I had 17 goals and did most of them. Oh, Delaney and Janet, hi. Patty, Evan. Hey guys. So I was just going to talk about the new 2018 Facebook changes that just came out yesterday. Really, really crazy. And it had been anticipated for a little while. Hey. So it's been in the process for about 3 months now. And hey, Tammy. They have been trying to do this in other countries. So it was in the testing mode, and obviously it got released yesterday. So basically there's two feeds now. So we have our business feed and we have our personal feed. So in the personal feed, what's included in there is obviously person, any person, but then also paid ads, which pretty much defeats the whole purpose of not putting business pages in there. As well as the groups. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of some workarounds for this. Hey, Jessica and Sheila, Leah, hey. Lots of you guys are on, so that's awesome. So basically what we want to do is we want to inform others, especially our clients, about the new Pages feed. So most people don't even know about it. Maybe if you're a business owner you do, but lots of other people don't. So that's huge. So, you know, when you're talking to your clients, you may want to be like, hey, did you guys know there's a different Pages feed, so that you can, you know, see our Facebook posts going out. Also, you want to utilize Facebook Live. I know I'm a slacker at this, so I need to get much better at it. But Facebook Live is favored by Facebook. So obviously it's going to, you know, be pushed out there more if we use it. The other thing is active in Facebook groups. Facebook groups are huge, and since they're entangled with the personal side and the personal feed, we definitely want to make sure that we're using them. And I have always been a huge proponent of that. Make a Facebook group and join a bunch of Facebook groups. Be active in them and let people know who you are as a business owner. Also, posting to your personal page, you do want to make sure that you're only posting 20% for your business, and really Facebook doesn't like it. So don't ever post more than 20%, and that's even a little bit iffy there. Right now they don't really crack down on it, but I'm assuming with everyone making this change, I think a lot more people are going to be actually using their personal page. So just make sure you're cautious of how much you use it for your business page, because obviously we still need to be posting about personal things as well. Hey guys, lots of you guys are coming in. Hey Patrick. Also, the other thing is that you want to make sure that you're posting engaging content once per day. You don't really want to post more than that. I was looking in the new feed today, in the Pages feed, and one page had posted like 6 times today. So you had to scroll through all of those to get to the others. And that is pretty annoying, and I would say you're probably going to lose a lot of likes for that. So make sure that you want to become the expert. You want to show them, you know, your audience what they want, and you want to make them come back for more. So if you're consistent in this, hey Michelle, then that'll help a lot too. Also, there's always the option of paid ads, obviously, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to waste a lot of money. So make sure that you know what you're doing. The bad things that I see about this, obviously, is the personal pages becoming more of a business outlet, which I don't like that option. The other thing is that you might get a lot more unlikes, and I noticed that even just on my personal or on my business page today. And the reason why is I did this too. So I went through, hey Shenandoah, I went through and I was looking at the new Pages feed, and I thought, oh, when did I like that? I don't remember liking that. Unlike. So I'm sure a lot of people on there are doing the same exact thing. which is sad. So make sure that you're always getting new, fresh likes in there. And also, we always want to post things that are going to get likes, comments, and shares. So that's about the gist of it. Oh, the other thing that's really cool, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but on your business page, when you invite friends, they actually just made something where you can invite everyone at once, which is awesome. So the people that weren't invited, now we can just hit select all and invite everyone. So that's a huge change. We've been waiting for that for, the history of Facebook. So I'm really glad about that. But this other change, not so good. Like I said before, just make sure that you're utilizing Facebook Live, the groups, post to your personal page a little bit, but don't be spammy or annoying. Also, posting your engaging content once per day. And then also, there's always the option of paid ads. But I do own Premier Social Media, and we offer all types of online marketing. So if you need any help with any of that, we do specialize in social media training and social media management. So we can do everything for you if you don't know what you're doing, or if you want to learn it all, great. I would love to teach it to you. Also, if you need a new website or anything else for the new year, proximity marketing, anything that you could think of that's online, we can help you. So if you want to message me, if any of you guys want free phone consultations, I can give you a call and give you some pointers on how to, make your Facebook page better, or Instagram, or whatever, all of the social media platforms I can look at, and your website as well. I would love to do that for you guys. So have a great day. Have a happy 2018, and get those goals set, and let's all get productive. Thank you.